Hi there, Tony here at Tony's Insane Bonus Bundle, and today I'm doing a review on Amiga. One click sends up to 127 bars every 10 seconds to any link, website or funnel, without tech skills, experience or upfront costs. So what is Amiga all about? Amiga, the world's first mobile traffic app, gets you unlimited free buyer traffic, untapped traffic source, million of responsive buyers, first to market software, one-click video builder, hundreds of proven templates, tutorials, case studies, support and more. Front end Amiga, $17. Access the powerful Amiga software and training modules. Upsell number 1, Amiga Unlimited Edition, $39. The Unlimited Edition of Amiga has multiple templates, unlimited usage, unlimited traffic and sales. It also comes with additional tutorials. Upsell number 2, Amiga Done For You Edition, $197. In this upgrade, our team aims to deliver done for you traffic and sales for you. Upsell number 3, Amiga Automated Edition, $39. You will be able to activate all the automation tools with Amiga. Upsell number 4, Amiga Done For You Templates Club, $39. You will get 200 customizable video templates that you can use with Amiga. Upsell number 5, Amiga 50 times click and go campaigns, $39. We'll give you 50 proven TikTok campaigns that you can copy and paste to make affiliate sales with TikTok. Experience, here are some key benefits you may be interested in. Experience free traffic in seconds, dozens of happy beta testers, 100% automated and hands-free, $37,742.35 made with Amiga, created for beginners. Get results and attain freedom. Travel, enjoy life and be happy. Get results, or it's free plus $100. All of this is covered by no questions asked, 30-day money back guarantee. So get Amiga now and get all the bonuses below. Bonus number 1, $297.95. Bandidos, access to the Bandidos system. This is a full-blown traffic system, so you can get traffic to your pages, to your Amiga videos. Okay. Bonus number 2, value $46. Learn how to create compelling headlines for your videos. You see. Bonus number 3, $344.95. Learn how to make an app in less than 25 minutes. And that's how that one is. That's about making an app for your iPhone or whatever phone you have. Bonus number 4, learn how to do SEO quickly. And bonus number 5, special bonus. Take action today. Access all vendor bonuses. And that will happen when you click to secure your copy of Amiga and your bonuses. And when you do click on one of these, one of these buttons, you will be taken to the sales page where you can pick up Amiga and start your life of freedom. Click the button below now to claim your free insane bonus package before the countdown timer hits 0. When you do pick it up, you'll get a email which will take you to your Warrior Plus account. You log in and you can access your purchase, and here in your email and below the access your purchase will be access your bonuses. Okay, that's it. So we'll go to the sales page and look through the sales page quickly. Okay, here we are at the sales page. Same headline. Just wait a little longer. And there you go. When you go up to here, this is what happens.
If you could drive
Excuse me.
27 buyers every.
That started automatically, which shouldn't have been, shouldn't have happened. But when you go up there, you'll get a $3 discount if you just to let you know that. But you can watch the video on your own. It's there's some some more benefits there, right there, which I read to you on the bonus page. Free first 100 also get the first X buys get XYZ worth of whatever that is. I'm not sure what they're on about, but anyway, we'll go through this just quickly. This is the sales page, which you can go through at your own time and your own leisure, and you can read about all the benefits and what you get and what comes with this and why you need it, and to change your life and to change you if you hate your job and all that sort of stuff, then you can get this, and all the proof that's necessary is here as well. Plus you get some bonuses with that. There's the logo. There's a lot here for you to look at, but I'll just keep scrolling down through the page to give you a bit of a look at this sales page, right? And everything it states and says and promises, and there's your bonus page, post bonuses, which you will get as a result of getting Amiga, which will be which I will provide on the bonus page. So you just carry on, and then you get 100% money back guarantee, 365-day guarantee on this. So good. Some more why you should pick it up, and yeah, and there it is. More benefits, and there's the creators, Billy Dar, Finn Gazwani, and Justin Ope. Yeah, are the creators of this software. And yeah, okay. So there's your frequently asked questions, and that's the end of the sales page. So you can go through that when you, if you decide you want to purchase Amiga. Okay. And now we go to the Amiga members area, where you can see what's in the Amiga members area. You got a new reply. You got Warrior Plus and JV Zoo, which is where you can get your affiliate opportunities. You got your creator disk, downloads, telegraph, automation, and social media share. So what we'll do is we'll have a look at some of these, okay, and see what's in, there we go. There's JV's Warrior Plus, some Warrior Plus opportunities for you to look at. And now we can go to JV Zoo, and have a look at some JVZoo opportunities. Right, this is all in provided for you in Omega. Then there's the creator. We'll go to the creator section and see what that provides. Okay, here we go. So this is where you can create your bonus pages or your video. You can create your video in here. See, videos, designs, videos, images, upload, text. This is very much like Canva actually. Elements, audio, and layers. So here's what you can do there. So there you go. And then you can go, you can see, you can save it, pause it, and download it. Okay, so we go back here and have another look at downloads. All right, have a look in downloads, have a look and see what. There we go. There's all the downloads. You can put all your downloads in here for that you've created or things that you've downloaded. Downloads. So the next one is Telegram automation. So we'll go there. There's the Telegram automation. Okay. And in social media share page, which this is the traffic page, which is the social share page, which only really will work as if you've got followers in any one of these social networks. So if you've got a Facebook page and you've got some followers, then you can send your links to that, and you'll get some people, show some people who are on your Facebook page, or you can go onto the Facebook wall and try to do it that way. But unless you've got a following, it's very, very difficult to get the traffic to go to where you want them to go, unless if you're extremely persuasive, of course. And they're saying, if you've got a following with any of these, then this will work really well. But if not, then it's basically useless, unfortunately. But I've given you some in my bonuses, Albendino, which will give you some real traffic sources that you can use, and way to get some real traffic for your to your Amiga pages and Amiga videos. So with that, I'll say, well, we'll go back to my bonus page, and we'll have a look at what I'm going what I'm giving you for if you purchase this through my link. You will get access to the Albendino system, which is a full-blown traffic system and actually a opportunity as well. But you can use what's in there to get a lot, traffic to your pages and to your videos. So that's what you can do. Bonus number 2 is learn how to create compelling headlines, which you will need definitely in Amiga. You're going to need that. Learn how to make an app in less than 25 minutes. So that's something you're going to need as well. But you can do it on your phone. So then you can for your Amiga pages. And bonus number 4, learn how to do SEO, which is this is another one where you can get more traffic. Okay. So and then there's special bonus, take action today and access all the vendor bonuses, which there is a few of those which were on the sales page. Okay. So when you click here to secure your copy of Amiga and your bonuses, which the link to which will be on the bonus page, and the link to the bonus page will be in the description of this video. So I thank you for going through this video with me and staying to the end, and I say, well, thank you for watching my review, and I'll see you on the next one.